Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Doom on your Nintendo DS. To begin, you will need a flash cart, which is a special cartridge that allows your DS to run custom software. You will also need a small memory card, typically a micro SD card, and the original Doom game files. We will guide you through preparing these items and getting the game running smoothly on your handheld console. To get started, you will need a compatible flash cart for your Nintendo DS. Popular options include the R4 or Ace 3 DS Plus, which are widely available. Next, acquire a micro SD card. A 2GB or 4GB card is usually sufficient. Finally, you will need the original Doom game files, often referred to as WAD files, like Doom.wad or Doom2.wad, which contain the game's levels and assets. Now, let's prepare your flash cart. First, format your micro SD card to FAT32 using your computer. This ensures proper recognition by the DS. Then, download the specific kernel or firmware for your flashcart model and extract its contents directly onto the root of your micro SD card. Finally, create a folder named Games on the card and copy your Doom WAD files into this new directory. With everything set up, it's time to play. Insert the micro SD card into your flashcart, then slide the flashcart into your Nintendo DS game slot. Power on your DS, and you should see the flashcart icon on the main menu. Select it. From the flashcarts menu, navigate to the games folder, find your Doom WAD file, and launch it. Enjoy playing classic Doom on your portable Nintendo DS.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.